Does your compost smell like ammonia? Is it overrun with flies? Is your yard overrun with leaves? Bingo! You have the solution to your problem. Hello, this is Stephen from shortseasongarden.com, and I offer tips and tricks for gardening in any climate, but especially for short seasons like here in Zone 3 in Eastern Canada. So subscribe to my channel, give my video a thumbs up and a comment, and check me out on social media on Facebook or Instagram at Short Season Garden, or go to my website at www.shortseasongarden.com. Gardening experts all agree that one of the best things you can do for your garden soil is to add compost. As I've mentioned in several previous videos, compost is made up mainly of nitrogen, carbon, oxygen, and water. The perfect ratio of carbon to nitrogen has been determined to be about 30:1. Now, I don't intend to get all geeky here, but basically we can think in terms of browns, which are high in carbon, and greens, which are high in nitrogen. Think of browns as organic material that has been long dead, such as straw, sawdust, wood chips, or even cardboard or paper. Greens, on the other hand, include fresher organic material, such as grass clippings, kitchen scraps, or even coffee grounds or fresh manure. As a general rule, you want about 3 times as much brown material as you have green material in your compost. The problem is, during the summer, it's so easy to get overbalanced in greens. All summer you throw grass clippings, coffee grounds, and fruit and vegetable peelings in your compost bin. In midsummer, the garden is full of green material. As summer progresses into fall and the garden starts to decline, most of that green material goes into the compost bin. As autumn comes on, you are dumping container plants, potting soil and all, into the mix. Fall rains are turning your would-be compost into a stinky, soggy mess. If you're lucky enough to be surrounded by deciduous trees, autumn is a compost saver. Tree leaves in the fall of the year have a carbon to nitrogen ratio of about 50:1 and are a great way to balance your compost pile. To make them even more effective, shred them with your lawnmower. Then mix them in with your green compost material. It's easier if you have more than one bin. As you stir up the old material and mix in the new, you are reducing compaction and adding in vital oxygen. Once you get the balance right in your compost bin, start saving extra leaves in a spare bin to be used as required in the future. Remember that winter is coming, and if you live in Zone 3 as I do, the only fresh compost material that will be available for a long time is kitchen scraps, so you want some brown to add in. If leaves are stored dry in paper bags, they can be easily mixed in with compost later. Leaves also make great mulch to provide overwintering protection for flower beds, cold frames, and fall planted hardneck garlic if you can keep them from blowing away. If you don't need all your leaves for compost and mulch, leaf mold is great organic material for your garden. Think what it does for the forest floor. So don't throw out your leaves. Save those leaves. Collect your own. Collect your neighbors. I know raking leaves can be a lot of work, and you may not have a large property or very many deciduous trees, but no one said you had to do this all by hand. Or even all by yourself. Get creative. Get others interested in the project. Remember, Tom Sawyer didn't whitewash the fence all by himself. Convince your friends and family to join in the fun. Next year, your garden will thank you for the awesome compost. And if your friends and family catch on to your tricks, you can always pay them off with some fresh garden produce. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and a comment, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next video.